It's showtime.
What's up, guys, and welcome one more time to Bitbrother's Crypto, a place where you learn and discover new opportunities every single day with Papa Bitbrother and Casquinha Crypto. Guys, we are in a bear market. Yes, I know. I know. Yes, I know. Yeah, I know. So, welcome. It's your first time here. Remember, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and become part of the family. Follow us on the social media, Twitter, Papa Bitbrother and Casquinha Crypto. Also on Instagram, Bitbrother _ Crypto. What are you guys thinking is gonna happen this week? We are still middle of the week. We see me and Papa now we're just talking about Bitcoins. And I see that Bitcoin might be playing on the will be playing around the range between 18 to 21,800, 21,500. So you have to be. I know we don't advise nobody to trade, but if you want to trade, maybe use this range. Of course, you have to be aware of the problems and the volatility, because this is what will keep you strong and safe. Crypto markets is Bitcoin the future of money? Well, and that's why we are here every single day. Every single day, myself and Papa, we are here bringing to you news, what's going on in the market, what the things that we are doing in order to stay in the game. What are you doing, my friends? Leave to us here in the comments and the message. What are you doing to stay in the game, for you to be doing things that on the bull run, on the next bull run, you're gonna look back and say, yes, I did it. Yes, I did it. So I said yesterday in the live, DCA in, DCA out. That's my future for the market, for the next bull run. Why? Why? Because it's very hard to time the market and know when it's gonna be the bottom. It's very hard to market the market. It's very hard. Sometimes the English go out of the window. It's very hard to mark the market and to time the market. It's very hard to mark or time the market on the top. So what do? You DCA out. Of course, you don't put everything in. You don't take everything out. Why? Because it might goes up or it might goes lower than what you put in. So you do it slower. You do 5% of your investment. You take out 5-10% of your capital, because if it drops, you put it back. If it goes up, you still have another 5-10% to take out. That's how you see it. For me, this is one of the biggest lesson in the past year or past 2 years, because I don't have much liquidity, but I have a lot of investment in ICOs and IDOs and all stuff like that. But now is the time for you to be accumulating liquidity, accumulating stable, well, be careful, stable. I would suggest to break your capitals in parts, and you put 25% in USDC, 25% in DAI, leave some as fiat. I mean, you need to be careful with stable coins, as we can see a lot of depegging on the market. Remember that the market at the moment is very fragile. A lot of volatilities. The market is down. A lot of projects trying to survive. So a lot of scammers as well. So you need to be aware of everything that's happened. If you I saw a news this morning that over $8 million was stolen from Uniswap users with phishing email, phishing links and scam. Guys, How much more can we tell you? How much more me and Papa have to come here and try to save you not to click in malicious or links that you don't know, open link emails or DMs that you don't know. Guys, nobody ever will send you an email. Hi, I am a manager in a bank and you were rewarded a 6 million, blah, blah. Guy, DM, hi, you were lucky enough to win an NFT, but it's a lie. Everyone speak to you in the crypto space or anything towards finance, assume first is a scammer so you don't get scammed. Even if it's not a scam and you find out after, no problem. You need to be at all time vigilant, at all time protecting yourself. Let me just see here so Papa can carry on after. Papa gonna talk probably about the guys. There is not much thing to talk about. There's what's we have to talk about is the market itself, right? I can tell you the coins that I'm looking to DCA straight away. BTC, Bitcoins, but you know what? BTC, but not so much. I am more looking to coins or project that will give me better X on the way up. What I'm DCAing in, and I just said maybe you'll be playing with the range of the market because I think we're going to be in a range sideways for a couple of months, maybe even for 18 months, let's say 12 months of bear market sideways. But when we say sideways, we're going to be playing there couple of hundreds, right? So let's say Ethereum 900 something up to $1,200-$300. So if you have enough money and you wanna maybe DCA in there when Ethereum is close to your so-called bottom, right? Which I believe when we actually go to the bottom, Ethereum may be hitting around 500 to 600 or even lower. So I can see Ethereum at 550, 500, 550, if not lower, if Bitcoins goes down to 12K or lower. If Bitcoins reach that low, we might see an unbelievable opportunity to jump in Ethereum around 400 or 500 euros, a dollar. Or euro, right? They're the same now. $1 is €1 exactly. So be careful there. So I'm just saying Ethereum, Phantom, Gala, Matic. What else? Of course, lots of projects on the post-chain network. Check that's some amazing project there. I'm just saying on Hex. Yeah, that's what I'm doing, DCA and looking for projects and starting to see good opportunities in order to jump in. All right, so Papa will take over and I am Casquinha Crypto. Yeah.
Hey, everybody. Welcome once again. Like Casca said, crazy times, bear markets, and how we get the advantage of this time. Okay, guys, this is what we need to look for. I have some news here for you and some things to give you an insight of how to study the market, especially for those one coming to the channel now and to the crypto, universe now. Let's say like this, to the crypto market. Yeah, so things for you to keep an eye on it, how to look for things. If it's safe to invest. Especially if you're skeptical about it and you don't know how things work very well. I'm going to show you things now. So let's just go through the market. $19,184 for Bitcoin, about $2,000, below the price last week. So again, volatility all the way. People keep saying for you to take advantage of this little kind of, Casca just said as well, isn't it? This little fluctuation between 19 and 21. I find really hard. I keep saying this to Casca. I wanted to do that, but I'm very scared still, because it's so hard to time the market. I said to him that I could take this trade of last week of Ethereum going up at 1,200 something, and then if you would sell then and then buy today, would make a $200 profit, okay, or increase your Ethereum position, right? You wouldn't do that, of course. You wouldn't sell to keep fiat. You would make $200 profit. You make more Ethereum, right? That's the aim. The aim is to increase your position on the coin, okay, guys, not to make fiat here. Maybe yes, maybe if you want to wait for the dip and get a $200 that you made in Ethereum and buy something else, that's a good.
Yes, Papa, well said. You want to accumulate, and be in a better position on the tokens or on the projects that you believe that you like.
Yeah,
that's it.
exactly.
You don't want to get out of the market.
Yeah, you don't want to get the profit and leave. So unless you really need, but I think, now it's time for us to fully concentrate here so we can be the ones to pump the market, guys. Yeah, we need to stay in the market. Remember that you need to stay in the market even on the hard times, because when the good times come, you're gonna take the advantage from the bottom, okay? And that's the people who makes most profit, those ones who are here now taking these dips, okay? So XRP at 30 cents, everything down like red like crazy. Again, I think is a good day for DCA. When is the sea of red is a good day of DCA. Casca put the post of Warren Buffett the other day. He says, buy whenever everyone is fearful, and sell whenever everybody's in greed. Okay, so probably this is a good time for DCA. It's like about almost $100 billion went out of the market from 2 weeks ago to now. So it's crazy how the things goes. Okay, so guys, a quick thing for you to I keep saying about COVID duck underline duck. This guys, I think he put like really nice posts, and I would advise you to check him. He put tracking the right wallets. We always say this, well, guys, follow the money. I put a graphic of where the richest companies are investing, and remember, they're investing. The first coin they invest in is Polkadot. So there's Arweave there. There is Near Protocol on the list, where the 21 very big companies are investing in Polkadot. Okay, so that means it could have two things. If they dump on us, and if they dump on you, it could go really bad. But the probability of they holding now is really strong, and that means the coin is in really good hands. But you can go here, and he explains how you do it here. I think it's really nice. Investors in whales have more information leverage than you do. You can make a lot of money by following them. We are diving into using Etherscan for wallet tracking and watching, using and debunk DeFi, using at debunk DeFi. So you can go here and following them. I'm following them already. Okay. They probably have a website that you can go. Yes.
Just one thing of this, Papa says is completely correct. Of course, you follow the money, you look there, you check this, everything, but you need to play smart game there, because it's exactly what the Papa said. And remember, nobody, especially whales, they are not here to pump your bag. They are here to pump their bag. And when their bag is full, they will dump on you. So you are the one who will lose the money. And that's the importance of DCA out whenever you think, I already got some good profits here. Let me take some out, or maybe my first investment out. Because when they dump on you, you will feel sad about it. And don't be the person being sad about it.
Yeah. So then he explained to you, let's use Etherscan. Go to etherscan.io tokens. You will see all the ERC tokens here. This is the page for Hex, for example. There's a bunch of useful information here to research. Go to holder section. Okay, guys. So this is the Etherscan. Of course, these are the coins that are on the Ether network. Okay. So, and you can come here and see the Hex token and see who holds the Hex token. And he explained how you look into to see if Hex is still in a safe bet. This tells you a lot. If the tokens are concentrated, it could be a bad sign, because if they sell, price will tank. If a large percentage of the tokens are sitting in exchanges, could mean that holders are only there for the short term. So this is really interesting the way he sees here. So Hex top 100 holders. There's one, wow, post-sex sacrifice. The guy put like the biggest holder of Hex is in the post-sex sacrifice. So it's a whale, right? And then other accounts, and then there's like 1, 2, 3 addresses here with most coins. It's insane. Okay, so that means this guy here, this whale, gonna have loads and loads of money on the PulseX, okay? So this is dangerous for the PulseX. Me and Casca, we did a sacrifice for PulseX, and we told you guys about the PulseX sacrifice. So that means it's dangerous for us, actually. Look at this.
I think this is the OG sacrifice. Must be the main sacrifice, not the main sacrifice, the main wallets. Maybe Richard Hard wallets or something like this.
Yeah, I think it could be his wallet, actually,
I
because
don't
look at
think
this.
it's
But 250 billion tokens he has. Yeah, 250 billion tokens, 42% of the total tokens. Okay, so again, you could see this, and then you know the hex is probably safe because it's staked and it's being sacrificed here, so they probably won't sell those because they don't want to tank hex as well. So, but PulseX could be in danger. We'll see. Your goal is to find wallets who got into big positions early. You can find filter through based size and holdings. Okay, he puts there as well. There's the filters here. Okay, first wallets, 15% of the tokens. You know, the first wallet got $1 billion in hex. Okay, quantity 5 billion tokens. And this is the wallet. Okay, so that means it's quite a big bag. It's quite a big bag, but it's not. I don't think it's that dangerous bag. Okay, because it's not 15%. It's a considerable amount, but I don't think it's an amount to just destroy the coin. We don't know actually. So we can also look through the transfer history to do this. Sort by last. You essentially want to look through the first few weeks and look for accounts that made big plays early. Do you understand, guys? So this is the coins. So who bought hex at the the initial offer, yeah. So you can see a total of 1,081,000,000 transfers found 1 minute ago. Atomic match. Oosh, I haven't even heard of what that is. Atomic match transfer. Anyway, so to OpenSea. So this guy sent 45. Probably is NFT to OpenSea, isn't it? Big plays early. So yeah, you want to essentially look through the first few weeks and look for accounts that make big plays early. You can do this for any token. Just go to CoinGecko and search up the token. Here's a random token that I found when I found this link up 26%. Grab the contract address. So it's there, the contract address. Search it up, the relevant block explorer, and you can start your wallet hunt. Let's use link to demonstrate wallet finding tracking. I sorted by oldest transaction and went from there. The goal was to find an address that took a big position early. Max total supply 1 billion. Holders 1,855. So yeah, so there's 1,800. He wants to find who got this early. Yeah, let's see. This trade caught my interest. This account bought 60,000 link tokens 4 days after lunch. I wanted to investigate more. So 60,000 4 days after it's been multi-co Uniswap. Let's see what he found out. I think this is very interesting, guys, for us to keep an eye. You can copy their address and paste into the block explorer. It will put up their transaction history, their account balance, and what they have invested in. This is their ERC20 transfer history. Looks like they're used to buying large portions of unknown coins. Look at that. So 2 days. Value 6.29 million, 680,000, 8.8 million a Uniswap. So what coins are these actually? So yeah, but they bought a lot from random coins, right? So I wanted to know if they have a history of success to determine if they are worth watching. This is the hardest part. You can look through their Etherscan data to get some insight. Analyzing successful wallets is a great way to learn. You can gauge how they allocate, what they look for, and how they ape. It's a great way to become a better investor. For more organized analytics, use Debunk DeFi. It gives you a breakdown of their holdings. Examining their profile, it's not what I'm looking for, no problem. Let's repeat the steps until we find someone. Okay, I repeat the steps above and found a new address. Turns out it's pretty good. This account, it's the 757 ranked account on DBank. Okay, so guys, he explained, actually you can enter the DBank thing and you can, look into it. Of course, look, he explains a lot of stuff here. I don't want to go through all because I want you to do your own research as well into this. It's there on, I'm going to just repost this now on my Twitter. Okay, so on the Bitbrother's Twitter, guys, it's brothers is at brothers crypto. I'm just gonna retweet this, and I think it's very interesting for you guys. And go and have a look if you want to find out more how to, again, follow the smart money. Okay, go there. So just some news here, random news. Bitcoin circles 20K pre-CPI amid warning Fed risks blowing up economy. Guys, this CPI thing, we need to be expecting some crazy volatility now because it's the interest rates in America, of course. Ethereum price risks bear flag breakdown, 20% drop against Bitcoin. Another news that we have to keep an eye on it, okay? Because like we said, this is crazy times now. Everything is not, it's not 100%. We're not 100% sure what's going to happen. And, just be safe for now. A lot of, 20% drop on ETH could be an amazing opportunity for you to increase your Bitcoin bags. That means if you buy ETH on this 20% drop, once ETH goes up, you can have more Bitcoin, right? That's how the smart money use. That's why we keep saying to you, save, 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 save. Now it's time to save money. And you don't have, guys, also we keep saying this because people who comes with this to the channel new. You don't know. Some people don't know that they can invest $100, guys. They think I don't have 20,000 to buy a Bitcoin. And remember that you can buy your Satoshis and keep, accumulating your Satoshis. Okay, don't forget that. Okay, so guys, this is it for me today. Thank you so much. Thank you, Casca. We're back again at last. Well, our time is going crazy, guys. I'm still setting up my timetable in Brazil because I still have to work. And I teach capoeira and martial arts and functional training, and then some classes doesn't work and then I have to cancel them and goes like that. So until my life settles, I think by the end of the year
we go to the gym too. Poo.
Yes, Casca also is doing like his gym workout back, and we advise you to do that now. When you don't have nothing to do here, switch off the computer, go work out, and then it's an amazing thing to do.
Guys, have a great day, and we see you guys tomorrow. Pops, we're here tomorrow at some time, I think, right, Papa?
Tomorrow? No, tomorrow. Yeah, start 10:30 tomorrow, 10:35.
Saturday. Tomorrow, Saturday time. We're gonna be here. I'll see you guys. Have a great time, and remember, if you're gonna invest, don't. But if you do, be careful.